Alright guys, I have a confession to make. Tell them. Tell them. Tell them what the confession is. You don't want to tell them? Alright, I'll tell them. You sure? Okay. Okay. I'll tell them. So, I think he's going to tell you. You going to tell him? Are you going to tell him? Oh, you want me to tell him? Okay. So, basically, guys, we worked on something all weekend. And I want to show you guys. And I'm going to bring you guys along for every step of this to help me be held more accountable. Yep. I want to bring you guys along so I can be held more accountable, have more accountability. But here is what we got, and I'm going to show you guys, and let's get started. Alright, so basically this is a lot of my stuff, right? If the camera would focus. Hello. There it goes. Sort of. There it goes, sort of. You got a 610, tools, more jack, right? Yeah, jack, because those are jack stands. Yeah, I got those two, a bunch of these totes, another one here, more over there, but I have all this stuff, minus that's not mine, but all this stuff, this dog, blankets, everything else, and it doesn't look like I worked on this, but we are cleaning basement, I guess, actually. We started with the upstairs. Now we're slowly moving to the downstairs, getting this house in shape. So, yeah, I just wanted to show you guys. So basically, what we did yesterday, there was boxes all here. We took them, we got rid of them. And then in this room, right here, we had... You couldn't even walk in. I mean, as far as you could walk yesterday was to this door frame. And that was it. So, I successfully got rid of... Actually, you can kind of see where stuff was sitting. Even in the lines in the carpet still. You can't see... Well, I guess you can see there, that too. The lines right there. So yeah, literally guys, I tell you, we could not, as you can tell, this is just destroyed. This room, there's just stuff everywhere. And a lot of it's mine. So we're going through it, getting rid of stuff. We're doing what we need to make this house a home, I guess you could say. And yeah, there was 2 or 3 totes there. No, there was 3 totes stacked over there close to the box there. And then right here, there was 2 totes. And just wanted to show you guys. Like, it doesn't look like I did a lot yesterday, but actually I spent 3 hours. In a matter of 3 hours, I did quite a bit. And then along with this, I don't know what to do with this thing. I think I'm going to give it back to the original owners. Because it was kind of given to me, but it's just kind of got a bunch of random stuff on it, and it's not even full. And I've got so much shelving as it is. Like, you got bed frame. You just got so much in here as well. But I did do a little bit. I got rid of the toolbox that was here. Which actually, oh, you can see where it was sitting as well. That's my Golden's rabbit. But you can see where it was sitting, like I said, as well. Got rid of that, moved his dog food from there to here. And that also, as he grows, that'll give him somewhere to lay if he doesn't want to lay on his side of the bed. Yes, I say his side because I got my side, he's got his side, and he's got the chair. Hence why he chewed it up. But that's all right. because it's his chair. But just want to show you guys, bring you along, his dog food, water filtration system. And we have a business that we're in the process of starting, which I haven't actually showed you guys. We've been in the process of starting it for a while, but we need to get a couple things worked out legally before we can actually launch it. So that's not there. Don't look at that. And we're going to clean all this up. This is just like miscellaneous. As you can see, you got a different radio. It's going to be replaced with what's in the car eventually, but right now it's in there. So that's a bunch of random stuff. Chargers, cowboy hats. As you guys have seen me wear that in the videos. Basically those two bags and that bag is for the Golden. There's paperwork, everything. But we just want to take it, like all these water bottles and all this. We just want to take this basement and just clean it up, and we're going to. And right along with these shirts, all these shirts, you know, they're right in the middle, so it's kind of we're not much of a Chicago Bears fan, but hey, it's there. So we got all this random dress shirts and stuff, and we just got totes, as you guys seen a minute ago, I think. Just a bunch of more dress clothes under this sheet here. There's just a bunch of more clothes in my phone charger. But I got seat cover there for the Ford Explorer that I never used yet. And then I just got so much. I got all that stuff for the things right here. What do you call these little tiles or whatever? You can get from Sam's Club or online or Amazon, wherever. But I did start here. There's a lot here, but this is kind of, I don't want to say organized, but it's better than it was, because everything was kind of just everywhere like this. So I'm happy with this for right now. We're not satisfied, but we're happy, if that makes sense. Like I said, for right now, it's not going to stay. Yeah, we're going to bring you guys along, so stay tuned in the next video, 2 videos, who knows how long. But yeah, I wanted to show you guys this for the accountability of me, and hopefully I can get a move on, and like I said, we can make this house a home. Let's do it, to it. Guys, I went to renew my you know, your little sticker on your license plate. I went to go renew that just to find out that, because, well, let me back up. I went to go renew it today because I thought it expired like tomorrow or the day after, right? Well, I just get done and I look at the paper and I go look at my plate, the sticker on the license plate, and I went, I've been reading that wrong. It doesn't expire on the 30 or the, anyways, I thought it expired today. No. I thought it expired tomorrow, but it doesn't. It expires on the 31st. But the thing is, I guess you don't get penalized until the month after. I don't know. These laws are so crazy and complicated and hard to keep up with. So basically, I said I can come in and renew it on the 2nd of April. Will that work? And they said, well, you won't get penalized unless it's at the end of April. So I said, so I won't get penalized if I come in on like the 1st or 2nd of April, right? And they said, no, you will not. So we'll see what happens when I go to renew my sticker. But otherwise, there's a fee, or not a late fee, but their fee for using them. I guess they charge you on top of the regular charge. I don't know. So it's like $159, and then it's like a $5 fee. So I don't know. I don't know if I got. He threw a lot at me. So, oops, sorry guys. I don't know how much I really caught of that, but it's just so complicated. Why does it have to be like that? Why can't you just like renew your license plate, like do it all at once? Yeah, that way you don't have to fool around and not know what you're doing. I don't know what I'm doing, but I have an idea, if that makes sense. But yeah, we're gonna go grab food, and we'll see you when we grab food. Oh no, Shadow. I'm trying to get my money. My money. This ain't working, Shadow. Oh, there you are. You're right in my shot. I didn't even look behind me when I started backing up. That's bad. That's really bad. Learn from our mistakes, right? Good thing it wasn't a big mistake. It was just a little one. But it could have costed me expensive repairs if someone would have been behind me here in the drive-thru. Shadow. Shadow. Alright guys, we got we got one Southwest chicken wrap, and we got some other kind of thing. Ooh, yeah. A lot of cars in this parking lot. Show you guys what we got here in a second. Sorry guys. I told him to surprise me. Don't look at the receipt, right? Never look at the cost. You'd be shocked. So they surprised me with some Sun Chips. And then I got a Southwest chicken wrap. Oh, maybe I lied to you. Well, don't look at the cost. I didn't lie to you. Don't look at the cost of the receipt. But to remember what you ordered, because I didn't know what I ordered. Chipotle Chicken Club side Sun Chips. So Chipotle Chicken Club. That would be this. And I am going to eat it and enjoy it. It looks like a taco. Sorta. See? Taco. It's not a taco though. Mmm. Definitely the right amount of sauce. Alright. We'll see you guys after we finish eating. The food was good. The food was good. We're going to get started on working on what we need to work on. What I showed you guys down there. We love you, and we'll see you in the next one.